Hello everyone, here are your weather headlines. Some rain possible tonight in the northeast, a cold shot next week, maybe some Halloween snow showers, and hey, we'll have your World Series Game 1 forecast right after this. Welcome back everyone, I'm meteorologist Mike Mahalik, and here is your forecast for Tuesday, October 22nd, and it's been quite active around the United States over the last several days. We have a big storm system moving through the Great Lakes here, quite windy here in the upper Midwest, so something to be watching there, but a cold front is extending down from that low all the way through the Florida Panhandle. That's what will be bringing rain to the northeast here this evening and tonight. And this spin out here across the Atlantic, that's what's left of Nestor. Fortunately, this front will be pushing it on off out to sea. So we don't have to worry about that storm, that's for sure. Now here is your rainfall moving through western Pennsylvania, heading into State College right now, but there is some areas of drizzle developing across the hills of eastern Pennsylvania and New Jersey, so it's not entirely dry as you head towards the I-95 corridor here. But this rain will be moving closer in, more towards rush hour, so be on the lookout for steadier rain as we head towards the evening hours. And that is our forecast for tonight. We'll have this area of rain moving through, temperatures in the 50s for the big cities, but behind the front, we'll be dropping back into the 40s with even some breaks in the clouds. So it looks like things will be drying out back in that region. Now, if you're looking for the World Series game tonight, here's your forecast for that. We have the Nationals versus the Astros down in Houston, and it looks clear. Look at that, guys. Clear skies starting here with the first pitch at 8:08, 71 degrees. And as we end this game here, just going to be in the upper 60s, so beautiful weather for that first game of the World Series. But let's head back north to the northeast. We have to figure out what's going on for tomorrow. That front will be moving out through New England, so just a couple of lingering showers in the morning hours up in Boston. Back further to the west, it'll be a bit breezy at times, but looks like skies will be clearing out to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures in the 50s and in the 60s in the major cities. Now those winds do die out as we head into Wednesday night. So with winds dying down, clear skies, temperatures will be dropping pretty quickly Wednesday night, looking for low 30s in some spots. Look at that, 33 in Scranton. I went down a lot of these places in between, even get down to 32 or below. So watch out for some areas of frost across the interior, maybe even to freeze in a few spots, but the major cities will be mainly in the 40s. And then we warm things up for Thursday. We'll have another cold front moving in from upstate New York there, so that's why we do have a couple of showers. But for the most part, most of the northeast looks fairly dry. Temperatures in the 60s, even the upper 60s down into Washington, D.C. Now, what do we say about that Halloween snow threat? Well, not too much of a snow threat here, but we do have a cold shot for sure coming in towards Halloween and around Halloween. So while we don't see a major storm forming right now, you do see one scooting off through the Carolinas there and out to sea. It looks like the cold air will be enough to get those lake effect snow machines going there. So we could have some lake effect snow in the Tug Hill and downwind of Lake Erie, and then maybe a few flurries do make it into the Appalachians, into the Poconos of Pennsylvania, maybe into the Berkshires here in northern New England. But for the most part, we're not looking at a whole lot of snow, just maybe that first glimpse of some flakes across the northeast. Now remember, we are WeatherWorks, your weather experts. Follow us on social media, and as always, right there at weatherworksinc.com. I'm meteorologist Mike Mahalik, and we'll be back on Thursday with another weather update.